Look at this smile, and look at this smile, and look at this smile. Every one of these people benefited from an amazing smile makeover. We did a lab direct. We made it incredibly affordable. There's no pain, there's no grinding. There wasn't even a dentist. Guys, why did we do this for them and we're not doing it for you? The best smile you'll ever need, you're gonna need it in the future. I'm doing these smiles every day. I did this one and this one and this one. Give yourself a good reason. Why are they not doing my smile? Why am I not getting a new smile? The average person watching this commercial has lived with a bad smile for 1, 3, 5, 7 years. I want to show you another picture real quick. This man came to me and said, I've lived with a bad smile for 20 years. And in one morning we changed his smile instantly. We changed it from this to this. It was absolutely amazing. Every day at Brighter Image Lab, no hyperbole, we change people's life. The best things that are going to happen in your life haven't happened yet. And most people will tell you, I'm not the person I want to be. To be ready for those events and those pictures and presentations. If you're going to be successful in your life, at some point you're going to be on the crossroads. Why are we not improving your smile today? My name's Bill Watson. I'm a smile designer. I want to be your smile designer. Do me a favor and answer that question. Come see me right now, BrighterImageLab.com.